Hello guys, good afternoon to all, good evening to all of you. So let's start again today's session. I'm going to discuss some questions based on Parasymbol, which is based on theta. I mean to say without option. In last class, I solved some questions. Today I'm going to also some questions related to your examination. So let's start. So here is first question. You can answer in chat box. Here is first question on your screen. We have solved several questions. So start with question number 21st. Yes. Take your time and try to solve it. You can easily answer in chat box. Read thoroughly. Then you will able to give answer. If we focus on this particular sentence, at the core of this issue is targeting the another sentence. I mean to say, this हमें तभी यूज किया होगा जब हमने इसके लिए कोई नाउन यूज किया होगा, बिकॉज दिस यूज्ड एज अ प्रोनाउन. सो अगर दिस इशू यूज हुआ है, इट मीन्स इससे पहले किसी इशू के बारे में वो बात कर चुके होंगे, इंट्रोड्यूस कर चुके होंगे. The debate over regulating online platforms has intensified in recent years. Yes, we can go for it. It will be an opener. This again not be an opener. Several governments had introduced legislation aimed at. Yes, he is also not correct. We can start with B. B is an opener. I mean to say B introduced the debate. The debate over regulating online platforms has intensified in recent years. The debate and this debate are targeting. So we can go for A after B. बस डिबेट को इंट्रोड्यूस किया उन्होंने बी में, एंड उसी डिबेट के बारे में बोला दिस इशू इज द टेंशन बिटवीन फ्री स्पीच एंड द नीड टू लिमिट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. अगर आप ए एंड बी को कंसीडर करें, सॉरी बी एंड ए को कंसीडर करें, तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक स्टेटमेंट कंप्लीट हो गया. बी में इंट्रोड्यूस किया डिबेट का एंड सी में ए में उन्होंने उसको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. देन वी कैन गो फॉर सी. This has led to global conversations about the responsibility of tech companies in curbing false narratives. C. Then we can go for several governments have introduced legislation aimed at increasing platform accountability. D. And then we can go E. These actions A, B, C, D में जो भी actions की बात करी है, then we can go for these actions, however have raised concerns about censorship and control. So the correct sequence will be B, A, C, D, E. If you have any query, any doubt, any confusion, let me know in chat box. If you have any doubt, any confusion, let me know in chat box. I think it's pretty good, no doubt about it. Okay guys, let's focus on next question. The next is, take your time. Read the statements thoroughly, then you will be able to give the answer. Yes, the concept of time travel has fascinated scientists and storytellers alike. Yes, no doubt this will be an opener. We can start with A then. However, most theories suggest that time travel to the past might be impossible due to paradoxes, or quantum mechanics and relativity offer different perspectives on how time might be manipulated. We can go for C, because C is explaining, or we can say deep down in the concept of time. So we can go for C, then we can go B. However, most theories suggest that time travel to the past might be impossible due to paradoxes. B, then we can go for D. So AC, BD will be the correct sequence. Here is another question. Take your time. Look, if we focus on this particular statement, but is a contradictory word, so we cannot go for opener. And across industries, automation is shaping how tasks are performed. This word automation is used as an introductory part. So we can go for B. Then workers in sectors like manufacturing and customer service are especially vulnerable. This transformation means across industries, automation is reshaping, means this is a transformation. So we can go for D after BD is mandatory pair. Then, but while automation, now it is a contradictory sentence of automation. So we can go for A. BDA. Then workers in sectors like manufacturing and customer service are especially vulnerable. C. Then we can go for E. So BDACE is the correct pair. BDACE is the correct pair in this particular. There is another sentence. Actually, because of time change, students are not aware about the time, but I have recording for this session. I'll send recording to other students. Don't worry. रेगुलर अपनी क्लास 9 PM होती है, बट आज मैंने 8 PM रखा ड्यू टू सम अर्जेंसी, इसलिए शायद बच्चे कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाए. In this particular sentence, D is introducing the history of documentation. So D will be an opener, no doubt about it. And B follows the historical progression mentioned in D. So we can go for B after D. From oral traditions to written scripts, humans have always sought to record their experience. So DB is the mandatory pair. Then we can go for C, because C brings it to the modern age. D talking about the history, B is talking about the explanation of history and expand of history. C is talking about the modern time. So DBC is mandatory pair. Then these efforts explained in C. In modern times, digital storage has revolutionized how we achieve information. Or D and E, these types of efforts. So we can go for A, D, B, C, A, then E. So D, B, C, A, E is the mandatory pair. C is not opener because C is talking about modern time. अगर हम chronological order में देखें तो पहले हम history में जाएंगे, अगर हमें मेरे पास कई सारे सेंटेंसेस हो और उसमें टाइम दिया गया हो 1932, 1950, 1945, तो पहले हम 1930 की बात करेंगे क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में, तो हिस्ट्री के साथ पहले जाएंगे, देन वी कैन गो फॉर मॉडर्न टाइम्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर ऑल्सो. So DBCAE is the mandatory period. If you have any doubt, let me know, then we will go for next question. That's nice. So here is next question. Yes. Informal housing is usually dismissed as encroachment, a stain on the vision of an orderly metropolis. C begins with the dominant perception, which is related to the mentioned theory. And A gives the insightful reason, and I mean to say ground level reality, which is related to encroachment. In cities that grow faster than their governance frameworks, informal settlements often emerge as both necessity and resistance. So CA is the mandatory pair. Then if we focus on D, D introduce a thematic shift towards policy, which is related to government. So we can go for D, then we can go for, so CA, DB is the mandatory. Next one. Very nice and theoretical question. Two options are strong contestant for be an opener. But in diasporic literature, memory is not merely a personal tool, but a political one. B gives a thematic opening about memory in diaspora. So absolutely, we can start with B. Then A elaborates with metaphor. So we can go for A. The narrator's fragmented recollections mirror the disintegration of cultural memory across generations. Then we can go for C. C gives literary techniques like through non-linear timelines and unreliable voices, authors attempt to reconstruct identity in exile. Then we can put D. So BACD will be the mandatory pair. BACD, not BDCA. Because D concludes with their significance. These stylistic choices are not aesthetic alone. They serve as resistance against homogenized histories. He is concluding the significance of literary terms. That is why D is concluding. So the correct sequence is B, A, C, D. The next one is again, he is talking about the ideological framework. The rhetoric of equal opportunity remains a powerful narrative in capitalist societies. So we can go for B. B will be an opener. Then A subtly critiques the things mentioned in B. What appears to be meritocratic competition often obscures structural privileges passed across generations. BA, then we can go for C, presents real world manifestations, which is from legacy admissions in universities to unpaid internships. The invisible scaffolding of advantage is rarely questioned. Then we can go for D. So again, it's BACD. A is slightly confusing, but if we focus on B, A critics, A is criticizing option mentioned in B, things mentioned in B. So BA is the mandatory pair, then we can go for CD also. Again, here is next question. In this particular question, there is no need to work on it because it's already in C. I mean to say, the gamification of social interaction subtly converts a relationship into metrics like shares and followers counts. So A begins with a phenomenon. We can go for A. Then addresses its psychological impact, B, and C is talking about the mechanism. Then D is concluding. So A, B, C, D is the correct sequence here. No need to arrange it again. It's A, B, C, D. because D ends with philosophical consequences. So if we get consequences, we have to put it in the last, in the end. So D will be the concluding sentence, not C. Here is next question. Look, in the digital age, privacy has become one of the most contested rights. We set the context with a general statement about privacy. So we can go for B. B is an opener. Then D gives a paradox. Despite increasing awareness, users continue to trade privacy for convenience. BD is the mandatory pair. Then companies track user behavior through cookies and metadata, often without explicit consent. A, then we can go for C. So BDAC is the mandatory pair. BDAC. No, 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 no. B is an opener because B is talking about general statement related to privacy. And D gives a paradox. D is talking about the different things related to the opener. So BD is mandatory pair, then A supports D. A is supporting option of D. Then C concludes with ethical dilemma. That is why BDAC is the correct pair. And one more question. Look like very easy, but it's confusing too. Look, B opens with a clear viewpoint related to climate change. Climate change is no longer a distant threat, its effects are already visible. So we can start with, then he follows with a supporting example. One of the most evident consequences can be seen in the polar regions. BD is the mandatory pair. Then we can go for A because A is at a specific event related to D. So we can go for A, then we can go for, look, very confusing, I mean to say, in terms of language. B, climate change is no longer a distant threat, its effects are already visible, no doubt about it. Then one of the most evident consequences related to climate change can be seen in the polar regions. D, then we can go for C. Scientists warn that these environmental changes may soon be irreversible. A, uh, A, the melting of glaciers. This is related to polar regions. And then we can go for C. It was slightly confusion between A and C, but BDAC is the correct C. And next one, look. He introduced the importance of free will. The idea that humans are rational agents capable of independent choice is central to many ethical systems, which is related to free will. So D will be an opener here. Then we can go for C. C brings in the debate. C is expanding, or I mean to say, C is explaining the option number D. Like, this evidence fuels the debate between determinism and free will. So D is the introduction of free will. C is the explanatory statement of free will. So DC, then we can go for A. If our choices are determined by poor prior causes, then free will might just be an illusion. A, then we can put DCAB. Again, very confusing statement. B was a strong contestant how to start the sentence. B can be an opener, but if you start with B, फिर आप D को एडजस्ट नहीं कर सकते. बी एक स्ट्रॉन्ग कंटेस्टेंट है, बी से हम स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, फिर हम डी को कहाँ रखेंगे. These are PYQs and also some questions related to practice questions. All are not PYQs. Okay. So DCAB is the correct sequence. Here is another. Look, we introduce the traditional viewpoint, like traditional economic theory assumes that individuals act to maximize their utility. We can start with B because B is talking about the traditional viewpoint. C counters with it and with research, like studies show that emotions, biases, and social influence often guide financial choices. So B, C is the mandatory pair. Why C? Because C is talking about C is counters with reference, or we can say with research. A adds the academic perspective. So B, C, A is will be in sequence. Then we can put D as a result. As a result, also talking about the concluding statement. As a result, policymakers are rethinking how to design interventions for better outcomes. So BCAD is the mandatory. BCAD is the mandatory pair. Here is next. Again, look. In modern organization, performance is often measured through quantifiable indicators like KPIs. Absolutely. B will be an opener. Then we can go for A because A is highlights the risk of oversimplification, and we can clearly say B is the explanatory sentence of, sorry, A is the explanatory sentence of B. Like this obsession with metrics risk reducing complex human experiences to mere numbers. B, A. Then we can go for C, such systems, mere numbers, or we can say reducing complex humans. Such systems prioritize efficiency, but often neglect creativity, empathy, and qualitative contributions, then we can go for D, a balanced approach. Blending data-driven insights with human judgment is essential for holistic evolution. So BACD is the mandatory pair here. Here is next question. Look, again, B sets the stage with the role of social media. Social media platforms shape public discourse through their algorithmic curation. So we can start with B. Then A explains how algorithms functions. So we can go for A. Then C discuss the consequences. This dynamic can skew perceptions, creating echo chambers and polarizing opinions. Then we can go for D. Addressing this requires both user awareness and platform accountability. So BACD is the mandatory. Here is the last question of the day. It's the last question of the day. In this particular statement, A is introduces the historical fascination, like the allure of immortality has driven philosophical and scientific inquiry of centuries. So A is introducing the historical fascination. Then we can go for C. C brings in modern advancement. Advances in biotechnology now bring the prospect of radical life extension closer to reality. A and C is the mandatory pair. Then we can go for B. B is raises ethical concerns, and we can say add the concerns. So A, C, B, then we can go for D. D is yet extending life identity indefinitely raises ethical questions about resource allocation and quality of life. And D is talking about the concluding part. Beyond practicality, the quest for eternal life challenges our understanding of what it means to be human. So ACBD is the mandatory here is the session for today. Let's connect in next class. All the best, guys. I'll recommend individually. You can message me. I'll share some important books and study material. I have lots of PDFs. I'll share PDFs so that you can practice them. If you have any doubt, let me know in class. I'll discuss your doubt. So guys, if you want to maximize your score in Parasymbol, स्पेशली टीटा, बिकॉज अगर आपके पास ऑप्शन होंगे तो आप इजिली सॉल्व कर सकते हो, जब ऑप्शन नहीं होते हैं तभी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं। तो इनकी प्रैक्टिस रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, पैराजम्बल, पैरासमरी, पैरा कंप्लीशन, वोकैब, रेगुलर अगर आपको प्रैक्टिस चाहिए आईपी मैट इंदौर, जिप मैट, रोहतक या फिर किसी भी ऐसे एग्जाम्स की जिसमें आपको आईआईएम में एडमिशन मिले, तो आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो और वर्बल एबिलिटी की क्लासेस के लिए मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हो। पीडीएफ चाहिए तो आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हो 9457403501। अगर आपको वर्बल एबिलिटी के किसी भी टॉपिक पर वर्ल्ड में क्वेश्चन चाहिए फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, आई विल शेयर, you can just WhatsApp me, I'll share the PDF. So stay tuned with me, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can receive all notifications from my side. Thank you. Jai Hind.